This quick video is about how to make a playlist on YouTube in iPhone. Okay, first open YouTube, then click here, and here you can see this add playlist option. Touch that, then click next. Yeah, here enter your playlist name, let's say Daily Doubts, and here you can choose whether this playlist will appear to public or private or unlisted. I choose public, then click create. Yeah, now your playlist was created. Let's open that. Just click this pen icon, and here you can hint about this playlist if you wish. And to save videos to this playlist, just open the video you want to add. It may your video or it from other creators. On the bottom of the video you can see this option save. Just hit that. Now click change, then select the playlist. Now we created Daily Doubts, so I choose Daily Doubts, then click on done. That's it. Let's check that. Yeah, here it is. This is how you create a new playlist on YouTube using iPhone. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.